Okay, so today we're diving into the DreamWeaver Pro Sleep Mask. We're going to try and cut through some of that marketing hype.
Right.
This thing promises, perfect sleep, but it comes with a really premium price tag.
A very premium price tag.
And the big question our sources tackle is whether it's worth it. It seems to boil down to this.
Yeah.
It's a luxury item, not a cure for, say, serious sleep problems.
Exactly. But let's start with the basics because
Yeah.
it does get those brilliantly right.
Okay.
It blocks all the light. 100%, which for a sensitive sleeper is huge.
That's the baseline for any good mask.
No, it is. But this one also has what they call a zero pressure design. So it doesn't actually press on your eyelids. It's apparently very soft, very comfortable.
That sounds amazing, actually. No pressure on the eyes.
Yeah,
But there has to be a trade-off.
there is.
To get that design, it has to be, bigger.
Yeah, the source calls it noticeably bulkier.
So if you're a side sleeper or a stomach sleeper,
Yeah.
that could be a problem, couldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just imagining waking up with half my face perfectly rested and the other half smushed.
That's the potential caveat, for sure. But that bulkiness is there for a reason. And it's not just the eye cups, it's the tech inside.
Right, the pro features. Let's get into that. We're talking about the warmth and the
A
vibration.
little, yeah. A gentle massage on your temples is how the review put it.
So the big question, is that just an expensive gimmick?
Well, the reviewer went in thinking it would be, but was actually pretty won over.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they found the gentle warmth and that subtle vibration really did help with stress relief, just winding down.
So for those nights when your mind is just racing.
Exactly, it helps you settle. And what's great is the convenience factor.
No app, right.
No app, no subscription, it's just rechargeable, and the battery lasts the whole night. It's designed to just work.
Okay, so let's get to the value equation then. We have fantastic light blocking,
Mm-hmm.
real comfort if you sleep on your back, and a genuinely relaxing feature.
Right.
But given that high price, what are you really buying?
And this is where it gets interesting. The marketing feels really over the top compared to what it is.
Okay.
You're basically paying for that superior comfort, the zero pressure design, and a tiny electronic massage. It is absolutely not a medical device.
So it's not a cure for insomnia?
Not at all.
How
The
about-
price reflects premium materials and features, not, clinical results.
So are they just cashing in on the whole sleep anxiety market? People who are just desperate for a quick fix?
That's a really important question, and the source is very clear. Do not buy this thinking it's a miracle cure. But they offer a 16-night trial period, which suggests they're confident that once you feel the comfort, you'll see the value.
If you have the budget for that level of luxury in the first place.
If you have the budget, exactly.
So to wrap this up,
Yeah.
the DreamWeaver Pro is a fantastic, luxurious stress relief tool. That zero-pressure design and the massage feature are legit.
But that cost has to be weighed against the fact that it won't fix any serious underlying sleep issues.
Right, so here's our final thought for you to take away. With all these premium wellness gadgets flooding the market, where do you draw the line? At what point does an effective stress management tool just become extravagant comfort when all you really want is a good night's sleep?
Something to mull over.